There are successful people and then there are more successful people. Sometimes we really wonder if we have achieved what we could have really achieved. We wonder if there is a secret formula to it. Well, this is partly true. The secret formula does exist. But unfortunately, memorizing the formula does not work. It is the chip embedded within them that makes them so intuitively different. Let us look at some of the most common traits that exist in successful people. Maybe there is something to learn. Point number one, they are okay to fail. The important part in successful people's life is to go ahead and start the damn thing. That's how they reduce the probability of failure by at least 50%. How? The ones who do not start have already failed to do so. This does not mean that the act is totally mindless. It simply means that they see merit in acting in a certain way and they do not go for over-analysis. Certain risks are better to be taken if you want to really achieve something. Point number two, they keep learning. This is not about reading some random knowledge areas alone. This also means honing the right skills, studying what people want, how other inspirational figures think, how the new markets are spanning, the young generation dynamics, where are the trends moving, can we create new trends. Basically, they keep their grey matter ignited with ideas and start consuming content around it. Many a times you will find their libraries larger than normal due to this trait. Point number three, they collaborate and can ask basic questions. One of the most important traits that successful people possess is their ability to identify experts, ability to reach out to them for more clarity on any topics and seeking help from variety of sources. Basically, they have learned two things here. Everything need not be done by self, and second, leverage the knowledgeable people you know. Perhaps the third thing might be to know a lot of such knowledgeable people. The most important skill here is to ask the right question in the first place. Point number four, the success of an idea is more thrilling than the monetary part. Of course, they seem to be making big money at the end, and I'm sure it would be rewarding to get there. However, most often you will find that they are more driven by passion to make their idea click. The idea itself would be having an associated end result, such as some noble cause, benefit to many people, etc. Thus, when you get fueled to solve some existing problem of mankind, animal kingdom, or the environment, the satisfaction would come only through actually getting the results as desired. Point number five, they are able to keep things agile. Every successful story will have an eventful journey. Things are not always the way you thought they would be. Most successful people are aware of this and are tuned to make real-time changes to their original plan as and when required. The plan is not just to make the plan succeed, but the plan is to achieve the end result in the best possible way. They would make relentless effort, would be seen finding different solutions just as flowing water would find its own path. Point number six, it's not about self. Perhaps this is the most important traits. Their journey is not about how will I make it big. It is about how will I contribute to solve something big. In this process, they would take along all those who are required, all those who contribute to the process in variety of ways. Eventually, they would anyways get recognized and remembered because everyone else realize the force behind the result. It is not they who would be harping about it. Well, I am sure there may be many more attributes, habits, and mannerisms that make a person successful. However, some of the important ones which we talked about today, I am sure they are worth adopting for every individual. I wish you all the best in adopting some of these attributes. Thanks for watching this video, and bye bye till we meet in the next video soon.